morning students. So in today's video I'll be continuing with you all the part from where we find Hannah and Sadao completely left alone at their own household, okay, and how we have come to a point in our previous video where the servants, okay, who had served their master for such a long time, the servants too had deserted them, okay. Aru ki ho goisile kam kora tinita jun kam kora manu asile, they were so very, you can say, scared on the face of keeping an enemy or on the face of keeping a white American prisoner at their household, that not thinking twice, they decided to leave the house of the master whom they have served for so many years, okay. Tinu John servant asile, Yumi, the gardener and the cook, okay, and out of the three, the gardener and the cook, they had served Sadao ever since they were in the household, ever since Sadao was a little boy, okay. Sadao horu lorata jetia pa hoisile, he tetia porai cook John our gardener John, they were serving him, okay. Aru এনেকুৱা এটা টাইম আহি গ'ল চোৱা, সৰু কালৰ পৰা যোনটো ল'ৰা ডাঙৰ হৈ পেলাই বাপেক খোৱা দেখিছে, সিহঁতি দেউতাক এজন হোৱা দেখিছে, সেইজন ল'ৰাৰ ঘৰটো কিন্তু সিহঁতি অন দ্য ফেচ অফ ছাচ এ ক্ৰাইচিছ দে ৱে ফ'ৰ্চ টু লিভ দ্য হাউচহোল্ড। তাৰমানে ভাবি চোৱা কিমান বেছি সিহঁতৰ আমেৰিকান এজনৰ প্ৰতি বা আমেৰিকান চ'লজাৰ এজনৰ প্ৰতি সিহঁতৰ মনত কিমান বেছি এটা বেয়া ভাৱ বা কিমান বেছি এটা সিহঁতৰ মনত ভয় ভাৱ এটা আছিলে, okay, and on the face of that they could not think of anything else but to flee for the safety of their lives, okay. আৰু সেইবোৰ সব হোৱা পাছত সিহঁতি যেতিয়া আমি লাষ্ট ক্লাছত ইমানত এণ্ড কৰিছিলোঁ that when one fine morning Hannah after she woke up in the morning, she found the entire household in a mess, okay. The garden was not clean, the food was not ready, the kitchen was also in a mess, and the babies were crying, they were not tended upon, the house was completely dirty, okay. Juntu drisya tai ratipa khunthi nakai, ratipa tai soku mela lage sob bostu servants kini jehetu sihotokke agote uthe, so sob bostu systematically bole tai second time yota kobo na lage je yuni aji tar pathortu khara nai ba kukok kobo na lage je aji breakfast ready hua nai, okay. They know their responsibility and they do it accordingly, but then that fine morning she was taken in for a surprise. Mane ki hobol bakhate edin holeo kobo na lage je etu safa kora ba etu kora ba eneke etu bostu banaba, but then what happened that day, okay. And after some minutes, after she went out of her room, she found the three of them assembled at their living room, okay, with all their belongings tied up in a bundle. Dangor enekwa kapurot hihotor jiman entire hihotor life or ji belongings asile, mane jikhini hihotor commodities ba goods asile sob he kapurkhonote bundle up kori pele kupula bandi pele hihoti roise. So looking at that sight, it was Hannah did not be told twice that something was wrong there, okay. Tai azileke ketia hihotor nijor bostubur ba hamora dekha nai, so kedinakhon dekhi pelai Hannah mane second time huleo kobo nalage je hihoti kobale jabo boli, and already there was a growing resentment in the family, okay. Mo already tumalok koise je junjani Yumi উঠ বুলি কলে উঠিব, বহ বুলি কলে বহিব, ইমানে বেছি তাই obedient আৰু she was so very, you can say, obedient towards her master, okay, towards Hannah and Sadao. That very girl itself, she replied back, or she said a straightforward no when she was asked to wash the white prisoner. তাহলে ভাবিছ না কিমতৰ মনত কিমানটা আক্ষেপ হৈ আছিল, okay. So all those things were piling up day by day. Aru eta kotha ki hoisile hihotok prothom koa hoisile that for some few days the American prisoner will be kept, kintu ihote dekhise 3-4 din par hoi goise American prisoner to তাক পঠিওৱাটো কোনো নামেই লোৱা নাই সদাও আৰু হেনাই ইনফ্যাক্ট দে হে টেকিং গুড কেয়াৰ অফ হিম হেনাই নিজেই গৈ পেলাই তাক খুৱাইগে সদাও এজ a dutiful doctor he went to his bedroom at regular intervals of time tak he bhal paise ne nai but the medicines book he regularly lo ase ne nai okay tenikuwa dhore treatment mane disile there was no demarcation between the American prisoner and other patients of Sadao hebu dekhi honar mane aru beshi khom hoise along with that they had developed one kind of you can say a mentality সিহঁতে ভাবিছে কি যেহেতু সদাও আৰু হেনা since they had lived for quite a long period in America so they were to some percent sympathetic towards their American কিন্তু সেইটোতো একেবাৰে নহয় okay just like other Japanese Sadao and Hana too were you can say pitiful or you can say they were quite against the Americans but then who will make the servants understand that not a kune buzaw je tenikuwa eku kotha nohoi okay so hebur hoa dekhi pele hinotor monot aru beshi eta beya bhab eta mane humai disile till that fine day when they were all assembled up to leave the household so I hope till this part it's clear ar tar pisot ki hoise jetia hinotor dekise hena she kept up her spirits okay she did not although she was you can say quite shocked at that behavior of the servants but then she did not let it come upon her face okay ebarlo dekhwa nai je ta beya paise ba kiba she kept up her spirits ekdom strong she stood and when Yumi was asking Hana that when Yumi was crying and she was really they were very much in a sad state in order to leave the house but then they could not help them only in fear for their lives they had to do so ar hetu karone hihotorke dukh logato jodio dekhaise kintu Hana was not sympathetic towards them ar Yumi joa agote koi goise je if the baby cries a lot jodi keswarte khub beshi kande ba mukh khub beshi nadi bisare jehetu Hana ke beshi Yumi logot hinoti thakisile then just call for me okay Yumi kose mukh apni message eta pothai dibo moi ahi samge till this part we had stopped in our previous class okay now after this what happened see after the servants were done and everything both Sadao and Hana they had quite a task in keeping up the house because they were not used to such manual labor regularly because adhat ke beshi kaam bor te khana banabole cook ase lorasalik sabole Yumi asile and to tend the gardening and everything the gardener was there okay so they did not have so much of hard labor in the household mane nijor ji kita koru kura kam hebur hioti okol korisile kintu servants ki joa pisot kampa manu ki joa pisot Hana gom paise je gute ghor bhar to time opor koribo but then she withstood it with a firm dignity and Sadao being her good husband he too lended a helping hand aru he din junihan hioti gol half the day just passed away that way okay teneke hioti dutai milanike kaam bu korise Sada Hanai jodi khana banabole jai Sadao lorasoli kitak sai die tenikuwa dhore hiyotor nijor kaam bu bhogai pelai hiyotor din tu adha bela to par hoise okay just when it was the afternoon time and Hana was in the garden okay tai akhale garden khonot she was watering and you can say she was cleaning up the dried leaves and everything okay suddenly to her shock she saw a messenger okay a government messenger landing up at their doorstep so tai jharu mari asile ba tai kikan phul pat boi safa kori asile tenibare ki hol tai dekhise je government messenger ejon cycle mari le thik hihotor poduli mukhate namise ar hetu dekhar loge loge Hana mane jote asile tate tai kokoni uthise kele uthile eto kotha because it was that very day when the servants had left the house okay and সেইদিনাখনেই towards the later part of the day a messenger happened to land up at their household. So সিহঁতৰ মনত যিটো ভয় আছিল যে আমাৰ কাম কৰা ইহঁতি গৈ পেলাই পুলিচক কমপ্লেইন কৰিব, so হেনা first doubt সেইটো আছিল যে the servants had let out their secrets, মানে হৈ গ'ল আৰু ইহঁতি কাম কৰাখিনি ইহঁতি কৈ দিলে কথাটো আৰু মানে যিটো সঁচা কথা আছিলে সিহঁতি কৈ দিলে আৰু সেইটো হোৱাৰ লগে লগে তাইক খৰখৰকৈ কপিব লৈছে যে মানে এতিয়া কি কৰিব আৰু মেছেঞ্জাৰ এজন আনিছে মানে এইটোৱে ভাবিছে যে পুলিচৰ পৰা এটা ন'টিচ লৈ আনিছে বা সিহঁতৰ এৰেষ্ট ৱাৰেণ্ট এটা লৈ আনিছে, অ'কে চ' শ্বি ষ্টাৰ্টেড শিভাৰিং দেন এণ্ড দেন আৰু মেছেঞ্জাৰজন আহিও আফটাৰ হি got off from his cycle, he came to Hannah and he asked, is it Dr. Sadao Hoki's room? Okay, and Hannah, as she replied in affirmative, she asked him, the messenger asked Hannah that is he home? He got a saying. Eta Hannah to aru besi bhoi kaise jane tai bhaba dhone kaam hoi goi ase bise aru Sadao arrest koribole warrant ekhon loi anise. Eta Hannah bhabe hoche o ase baru kile lagilo kokson kile apni heri korise. Eta messenger koise noy na both emergency condition the old general, okay, the chief of an army general who was you can say very reputed person, and since it was war time he is not very in good state, okay, tar gatu borda bhal nohoy ekdom it's he is in a very critical state aru jehetu Sadao is one of the renowned doctors of that time, so Sadao needs immediately to go with me in order to tend, okay, and it was at that moment he to look at Hannah give the shy of hunting tineba ata time ne she let out an exclamation, okay, because that bhabi asile ki kotha to our messengers on ahise kam korle, okay, tetya ta out of excitement that messenger jana to oh hetu asile no tetya messenger john jisone ahise message to le he was taken in for a second hetu mane aur ki bicharise apni mar ki khobor lole. Then Hannah she went quickly inside and she informed Sadao, okay, তাৰপিছত Sadao গ'ল আহিলে তাৰপিছত মেছেঞ্জাৰ জনৰ লগত আহিলে and he just went to the old general's home, okay, so after coming back from the old general, both Sadao and Hannah they realized that যিমান দিনলৈকে আমেৰিকান প্ৰিজনাৰজন সিহঁতৰ লগত থাকিব সিহঁতৰ লগত একেটা ঘৰতে থাকিব সিমান দিনলৈকে কিন্তু সিহঁতৰ সেই অশান্তি ভাৱ এটা আহি থাকিব। আজি ফৰ এক্সাম্পল সেইদিনাখনে মেছেঞ্জাৰজন অহাৰ লগে লগে সিহঁতৰ প্ৰথম চিন্তাটো হৈছে যে Sadauk এৰেষ্ট কৰিবলৈ আছে, ঠিক তেনেকৈ সৰু সুৰা কিবা কথা লৈ পেলাই সিহঁতি এতিয়া গোটেই ছাছপিচিয়াছ হৈ থাকিব and as a result of which what will happen they will lose their peace of mind, okay, so যেতিয়া গোটেই কথাবোৰ Sadaoয়ে এনালাইজ কৰিছে হেনাও এনালাইজ কৰিছে আৰু সিহঁতৰ যোনবোৰ ঘৰৰ কাম কৰা যোনে সিহঁতক ইমান ভাল পাইছিলে ইমান ৰেছপেক্ট দিছিলে এনেকুৱা এটা দিন আহি গৈছে যে সেই কাম কৰাখিনি কিন্তু সিহঁতক এৰি যাবলৈ সিহঁতি মানে অলপো হেজিটেট কৰা নাই, জাষ্ট ইন ফিয়াৰ ফৰ দেয়াৰ লাইফ নিজৰ প্ৰাণৰ ভয়ত সিহঁতি এৰি যাবলৈ কিন্তু অলপো হেজিটেট কৰা নাই, okay, so thinking about everything what happened Sadao decided যে নাই এই বস্তুটো আমি বেছি দিন কন্টিনিউ কৰি যাব নোৱাৰো, a solution has to come out of it, কিবা এটা আমি ইয়াক কৰিব লাগে because ই ঘৰত যিমান দিন থাকিব মানে আমাৰ সিমানে অশান্তি দুখ খং সেইবোৰ চব আমি বাঢ়ি গৈ থাকিব আৰু কিমান দিন আমি মানে মনত এটা অশান্তি ভাৱ লৈ পেলাই ইয়াৰ ঘৰত সুখ পালি and moreover he is an American, so আমাৰ পাৰপাছটো কি আছে ইয়াক মৰা পাবছোৱা ই এতিয়া ইয়াৰ অপাৰেশ্যন হৈ গ'ল ধুনীয়াকৈ ই ধুনীয়া খানা ধুনীয়া কেয়াৰ পাই আছে ঘৰত, so এতিয়া কোনো মানে তেনেকুৱা হেৰি নাই তেনেকুৱা এটা কণ্ডিশ্যন নাই where he will lose his life, so Sadao decided that something must be done of the man, okay, so with all the burden with all the tension in his mind he made way towards the generals, okay, and after reaching there what happens now after ekhileke I think one buji paise that how at the household of Sadao Hoki all such happenings have taken place, now the scene of our story, it shifts to the place of the general. Okay, general jana ghorale shift. What happened there? Sadao, the general was in his bed and Sadao was just observing him. He was giving him medicines and everything. Aru general jane tetia Sadao khudise je mane moi baru kiman din basi dibi etu obosthat moi kiman din basi dibi. Then Sadao tak koise general jane nai sir apni suri mane chinta nokoribo, but then jodi apunar aru eta attack ahe, then it will be a little difficult for you to survive. Or take apnar kintu operation koribo. Okay, so etia situation to enekwa hoise, it was war time. Okay, and the person tending to whom Sadao is tending, he is a military general. So already lots of Japanese soldiers are already losing their life, be it in the fighting, be it somewhere else. Okay, so already bahut khini Japanese koino already morise, mritu mukhot porise. So in the face of such a crisis, if Sadao is given the opportunity to save the old general, he is doing his utmost to save him. And moreover, aru eta kotha asile, Sadao knew that somewhere the old general was kind of a pawn to him. Mane tar agot je nokoman kisman kotha he bow down hoise, Sadao hetu feel korisile. Ei karone feel korisile because the life and death of the old general lay in the hands of Sadao. Okay, Sadao jodi ichha kore tak bhalke kusroha nokoribo pare aru old general to then and there tar mane he may lose his life. But then if Sadao medicates him properly, then there is no question that under any situation the old general will die. Okay, so here sab psychological eta study Sadao already kori thise. Okay, and taking into much confidence, okay, he khub eta driho monere ba eta khub bahut khini kotha ki bhabi sinti analyze kori, he related the entire story of the American prisoner in front of the old general. Okay, tak mane sob kotha bhang pati kori je ami ichha kori tak ebaru ana nai, he nije uti ahise khagore tak loi anise aru loi ana loge loge he ama ghor mane poduli korise aru poduli mukhor pora moi jinetu ejon doctor hoy, so on ethical grounds mane manobatar khatirot moi tak ubhotai pothiabole beya kolu jihetu moi eta pran boswa eta jibon eta boswar shikhai moi grohon korisu. Okay, so hearing about everything, the old general, he was also a very cunning person. Okay, he knew very well je etia jehetu hetu secret Sadao teo reveal koribo. Okay, be very careful in going through this part. See now, Sadao not a secret to old generals on agot koribo. Okay, aru etia he army general jane, he knew very well that যদি তেওঁ খঙৰ ভ্ৰমণত আহি পলে Sadao কেলে এটা আমেৰিকানৰ ঘৰত কুশ্ৰহা কৰিব বা কুটপাল দিব বুলি যদি Sadao যদি হি জেলত ভৰাই থৈ দিয়ে, তেওঁ কিবা এটা হ'বলে তেতিয়াতো Sadao বিচাৰি নাপাব. সো তেওঁ কিবা এটা যদি গা বেয়া হৈ থাকে, Sadao ক'বা জেলত আহি পলে এটা মানে মেডিকেশ্যন দিব বা তাৰ কিউৰ কৰিব. ওকে, সো হি বাচি থাকিবৰ কাৰণে Sadao has to live. So in no way he can condemn Sadao of keeping a enemy person. Okay, so he korile the old general, he Sadao assurance this is there, it's okay, I understand your condition, don't worry about anything, please chinta nokoriba, ei kotha tu tumi je muk kola ei kotha tu amar duta majote eta secret hoi pele. Okay, তুমি একো চিন্তা নকৰিবা, মই ইয়াৰ প্ৰপাৰ বন্দোবস্ত কৰিম. এতিয়া Sadao he got tense. Okay, Sadao said he কি কৰিব, because যদি হেনাই সেইটো কথা গম পাবলে, because all those things that Sadao going and telling the old general that such and such is happening at his household, Hena would probably not like it, because সিহঁতি প্ৰথমতে চুক্তিটো কি কৰিছিল যে ইয়াক ভাল কৰি পেলাই পঠিয়াই দিব, কিন্তু যেহেতু সি সিহঁতি পঠিয়াব পৰা নাই সো সেইটো কাৰণে Sadao had to take the help of the old general and he wanted himself, Sadao wanted to get rid of all the tension or the psychological pressure and everything that was surrounding him. Okay, so সেইটো কাৰণে কি হৈছিলে হেনাই প্ৰপাৰলি কথাটো একো গম নাপায় যে Sadao গৈ পেলাই জেনেৰেলজনৰ আগত এইটো কথা এনেকৈ ক'ব okay so old জেনেৰেলজনে কি কৰিলে সেই আৰ্মি জেনেৰেলজনে Sadao ক'লে তুমি মোক কথাটো ক'লা secret to me kola your secret is safe with me and now you don't worry tumi ekku chinta na koriba tumi janike mok bisas korla ei kotha khar koisa moyo tumak assure korisu mo tumak edu assurance disu je moi মানুহ পঠিয়াই পেলাই তাক ধুনীয়াকৈ কিবা এটা বন্দবস্ত কৰিম অ'কে য'ত ব্লেমটো তোমাৰ ওপৰতো নাহে আৰু বেলেগ কোনেও গম নাপায় okay simply জেনেৰেলজনে আৰ্মি মানুহজনে Sadao এইটোৱে ক'লে তুমি খালি ৰাতি খোৱা সময় সেই ল'ৰাটোৰ দৰ্জাখন আৰু খিৰিকীবোৰ খুলি পেলাই থবা মানে জেনেৰেলজনে Sadao এইটোৱে কথা ক'লে যে ৰাতিৰ আন্ধাৰত যেতিয়া Sadao হেনা চব শুই থাকিব ৰাতিৰ আন্ধাৰত কি কৰিব তাৰ assassins there is a word there in the text assassins okay assassins are nothing but they are military person okay who are very shrewd very they are very fast and very prompt in killing a person okay they are like secret killers na bloodshed hobo na kiba na belekimbai gom hobo ketia hoitne hinati and every military platoon has such kind of persons into it because there are certain things which needs to be done in the dark okay so the general thought of sending to Sadao's home two such expert assassins 2 or 3 such expert assassins in order to take the American off okay eta tinigwa korile ki hobo neither the American will find out what has happened to him and neither the neighborhood of Sadao and Hannah will ever find out that they had kept an American captive in their home. Sorry, not a captive, but an American alien prisoner at their home. As a result of which, the blame will never come to Sadao and Hannah of harnessing an American prisoner at their home. সিহঁতৰ যিটো পাৰপাছ আছে সিহঁতি যিটো মোটিভ লৈ পেলাই মানে কামটো কৰি আছিলে যে আমেৰিকান জন্মৰ পৰা মানে সিহঁতি ছুটকাৰা পাব লাগে সিহঁতৰ সেই কামটো হ'ব সিহঁতৰ নামটোও বদনাম নহ'ব আৰু ধুনীয়াকৈ কামটো চেছ হৈ যাব চ' থিংকিং এভৰিথিং চব সেইবোৰ ভাবি গুণি Sadao জেনেৰেলজনে তাক ক'লে তুমি চিন্তা নকৰিবা খালি আজি ৰাতি তুমি দুৱাৰ খিৰিকীবোৰ তাৰ তুমি যোনটো ৰুমত তাক কৈছা দুৱাৰ খিৰিকীবোৰ খুলি থ'বা so that দৰ্জা খুলি আহোঁতে তোমাৰ ৱাইফে যাতে গম নাপায় তোমাৰ ৱাইফ নালাগে বেলেগ কোনো মানুহ যাতে গম নাপায় okay so with such kind of you can say a crooked or with such a kind of a cunning plan Sadao he came home again and with the purpose that the American was to be taken off that night he just went to bed that day আৰু ইয়াৰ বিষয়ে একটা গুণাক্ষৰেও এটা কথা কোৱা নাছিলে হেনা কি ভাবি আছে যে এইটো কৰিলে হেনা ৱৰিড হৈ যাব যে কোন গুণ্ডা আনি পেলাই তুমি ঘৰত সোমোৱাবা কোনে মাৰিব অ'কে চ' সেইবোৰ শুনি পেলাই হেনা ৱৰিড হৈ যাব বুলি সি ভাবি আছে যে মানুহটো যেতিয়া নোহোৱা হ'ব ঘৰৰ পৰা হেনাটো ইভেঞ্চুৱেলি শ্বিল ফাইণ্ড আউট অ'কে চ' তেতিয়া সি গৈ পেলাই তাৰ চিক্ৰেটটো ক'ব যে এনেকৈ মই তাৰ ছুটকাৰা পাবলৈ এইটো প্লট ভাবিলোঁ okay now in the next video we'll do what will come to the part when the person or when the American soldier will actually be picked up okay hey rati to hey nithatur kheltu kenikwa we'll do it in a next video okay thank you